Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix can't add email account on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. This is where you can manage all important device options. If you're having trouble adding an email account, don't worry. We'll go through a few simple steps to fix it. Once you're inside Settings, tap on the search bar. Searching makes it easier to find the option you need. Type Mail in the search field. The Mail settings should appear right away. Now tap on the Mail option from the search results. This section contains all email-related settings on your iPhone. Here you can manage accounts and mailbox preferences. Let's move to the account settings next. Inside the Mail settings, tap on Accounts. This page shows all email accounts currently connected. You can review existing accounts here. We'll now add a new account. Next, tap on Add Account. You'll see different email providers listed on the screen. Choose the provider that matches your email service. This will start the account setup process. Now enter your email address and password carefully. Make sure all information is entered correctly. After providing the required details, tap Next. In many cases, this step fixes the issue immediately. If the issue is still not resolved, try signing out of your Apple ID. After signing out, sign back into your account. This refreshes important account settings on your device. Many account-related problems are fixed this way. If you're still unable to add the email account, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches. Wait for the device to turn back on completely. Then, try adding the email account again. And that's how you can fix the can't add email account issue on your iPhone, step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more simple tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions.